Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to do drip irrigation with our dad. On the corners, we put something called elbows to help connect them. And these are the stakes we use to keep it down. The next one we're using is called a T. So we have to cut this and attach these on. And how you know it's locked in is when you tug on it, it doesn't pull back out. This one's too short, so we're going to have to attach a coupling and then attach it to this one we already have.
You make sure it's in there tight.
Jeremiah is putting stakes in the irrigation hose.